We're out here in Bokeelia on the skiff. We got around 25-30 mile an hour winds today. We got some shrimp, some pan picks. We got some spooks, some swim baits. So we're gonna just see whatever we can catch today. And we're gonna have lots of fun. This is my beautiful girlfriend. But we're gonna get it straight into it. And we're gonna do this.
We have one guy.
They'll come back a lot. It'll be fun. Right here. Alright, throwing this on a medium fast sniper, 4,000 size reel. See what we can catch. I'm gonna try to keep us over here. See some water moving right here. Oh, big fish right here. Oh, oh, oh. Super tiny. What was that? Oh my gosh. Because something was thumping on it. Little snook. He's not actually not a bad one.
It's a nice one. Do you need the net?
Dude, he's a fatty. If you want to. Dude, this little guy's pulling. He's a fat one. Alright, thank you. You just leave it there. My girl's almost dead. Oh, that's a heavy one. First fish of the day. Little snook, probably about 20, 21 inches. Pretty decent one. He's alright. Very dark color. Look at that. Very dark color. Get him back. Send him on his way. And hope. There we go. Oh, finally. Took a minute, but they're there.
I didn't even take a picture.
I got it on video.
Big fish? Oh,
3 pounder. 3 pounder.